What's up, YouTubers? It's UC Weapon back again with Trackmaster Thomas and Friends engine unboxing review and first run, and we have Peter Sam, the narrow gauge engine. Now, if you saw that new season 17 episode today called Luke's New Friend, might have seen Peter Sam make a small cameo appearance. He didn't speak, I don't think. It's hard to recall the whole episode anyway because I watched it in my car on my phone today while I was waiting. It was quite good. And yes, I like the new animation work that this new company is doing. Quite well done what they do. There we go. Oh. So yeah, this is also one of the engines in my Target video where I showed that box of 2013 engines at Target. So I got Flynn that day, and I also got this Peter Sam. I'm not a big fan of these narrow gauge engines, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Hopefully this is a good one. I don't like the fact that they've put the hole in the wheel for the traction rods, but it still doesn't have traction rods. I may go ahead and add them myself, but for now, happy to have a brake van. I don't have a brake van, I only have Toad. Here is Oliver's brake van. So that's quite good. Small wheel one. I may paint it grey to match all my trucks. So we'll get a battery and we'll give him his first run. Okay, so we've got our battery. Let's have a quick look at Peter Sam. Will it focus? Come on, phone. Don't let me down. Alright, so there is a sticker, but it is a gold and red sticker. Probably doesn't show up well on camera. That whole part there is a sticker. So yeah, it's not a great load of detail, but looks quite good. And with that traction rod modification or addition, could look pretty good. Not sure how much I'd have to chop away. Probably a lot. So the boiler pops off and reveals the battery compartment. Pop in a famous brand of Ultra battery. Oh, what a runner. It could be one of the best Trackmaster drive units I've ever heard. Pretty good. Let's give it that first run. Alright, so Trackmaster Peter Sam 2013. First run. He has some of Luke's narrow gauge trucks, because I'm not sure which trucks are narrow gauge trucks, but I know for sure that these ones are. Off we go. and running very well. Good climbing power. And it looks like it's time for the turntable test. So, Trackmaster Peter Sam, the narrow gauge engine, do work on the turntable. Flawlessly. So there you have it, guys and girls. That is the Trackmaster Peter Sam, the narrow gauge engine, 2013. A good running loco, stays on track well. Brake van is a nice bonus. That is something that is getting harder and harder to find, although I know Stafford comes with one, but it is bright orange. So the brown brake van is a nice alternative to that. I'm going to leave it there today. Thanks for watching.